In this video, we will review Vanguard's investment account. Vanguard is widely known for its low investment options, offering a range of investment accounts, including stocks and shares ISA, pensions and general investment accounts. Vanguard is especially popular among long-term investors due to its reputation for low fees and focus on passive investing through index funds and ETFs. The platform provides access to a wide selection of low-cost index funds, tracked with the performance of major stock. Vanguard approaches its ideal for hands-off investors who prefer a long-term buy and hold strategy. The platform's stock and shares ISA allows for tax-efficient investment, meaning there are no capital gains or income tax on your profit. While Vanguard platform is known for its straightforwardness and long-term value, it may not all be suited to active traders who are looking for more advanced features such as real-time trading tools or in-depth research. Overall, Vanguard offers an excellent value for investors focused on low-cost, diverse portfolio and making it a strong choice for retirement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.